Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to optimize a scan PDF using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a scan PDF image. Now select this left side top corner file option and scroll down, select PDF optimizer option and select here optimize scan PDF. Now click on this optimize PDF option and current page. Here select all page or specific page range. As a compression you can change here and select high and monochromic glossy and make searchable run or share and select option. You can specify here language and editable text or searchable image. Now when you select OK and see this image now converting to editable PDF. Already converted. Now select edit option and edit text. Now we can edit text and image and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.